Okay, yay! My Christmas tree is put away. Oh my gosh, so I'm pooped now, and I need to vacuum and clean up, and I want to refresh the room. But I don't know if I have enough energy. Actually, I have enough energy. It's just all that bending, my back is hurting now. So, I mean, I was going to move the carpet, vacuum behind the couch. I said I gotta put the tree in the garage. I wanted to clean the windows. Well, I'm gonna take a little break and drink some coffee, have some lunch, and then I'll come back to it and finish up this video. Are you gonna join me? You gonna take a nap with me? You gonna help me clean? Wax warmer fell on the floor and broke. Now there's, well, not melted wax on the floor now, it's hardened, and yeah. And I was flipping the rug over, I was going to turn it around, and there looks like there's a spot where the cats have peed on it. I am beyond, yeah, not happy. I'm going to move the couches around. The pieces are interchangeable. So this piece was here. I'm going to put it over there and put that one here. I mean, I just was going because the floor was nasty. Yeah, and there was a lot of cobwebs and dirt along the baseboards and all that kind of stuff. And if I was going to move the furniture, I might as well do it. And there's no plate over that outlet over there for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah. Alright, my phone is about dead, so I'm going to continue to work and not film. Yeah, but I wanted to show you that little bit. I'm not happy. And it's like 5 o'clock. I gotta start making dinner and stuff. And yeah, look, definitely. I just felt like I needed to clean, and you know, one thing led to another, and it's not like, I don't know. Anyway, I'll just stop and charge my phone and talk to you later. Okay, done. Sorry, I have a piece of chocolate in my mouth. Needed some chocolate because I was stressing. Anyway, I want to quickly film this because it's getting dark and I'm losing my light. So, I managed to get everything back together. I switched the couch around. That piece used to be here and this used to be there. I did not get to take the cushions off and vacuum them. Again, it was supposed to be 30-minute cleaning anyway. It was just nasty. The floor was all nasty there, and then it continued under there, so I wanted to clean it. And then, of course, I had, you know, mishap. Realized the carpet looked like it got peed on. So, I turned the carpet around because this end of the carpet was matted down because it's 4 years old. So, you know, it has had heavy traffic on it. So, it got matted down, so I turned it around. And this part was under the couch, and it's nice and fluffy. Except for, where's this? I'm trying to think about, I think that's the spot that the cats possibly peed on. I don't know, there's a dark spot and underneath, and I smell a little something, not really bad. I poured vinegar on it. I'm going to have some, I think I'm going to have somebody come out and clean it. And a lot of people had told me about my carpet in my craft room. It's just a small 3-foot, 4-foot rug. Yeah, it was saturated. The cat had peed on it. Our cats are old. They're 13 and 14 years old. I think when it rains outside, that's what they've been doing. Thank God we have mostly tile, so... and if they pee on the older carpet, I don't care. We need carpet anyway. So, I don't know what to do about that. So, I'm going to have somebody clean. So, oh, what's the point? So, I'm not keeping my craft room carpet. As a matter of fact, until we can figure out what is the deal with the cats peeing on the carpet, I'm not getting a new one. I did find a new one for like $45, which was less than what I had paid the original one. So, and I don't feel like being on camera because I'm a mess. I'm just, my back is hurting. Yeah, so, yeah, so I'm not getting a new carpet. I'm not salvaging that one because chances are he'll just pee on it again. Because, you know, it might not smell like a cat pee to me, so, but, or to somebody else after I clean it. But cats have like 10 times the better smell than we do. So, look, underneath there, I don't know what happened. But the lining underneath the couch is falling apart. We need a new couch, guys, but that ain't happening anytime soon. The, you can see where it's peeling here. This is a rooms to go. We didn't know what to get when we moved in, but we needed something. So, I mean, I don't know. I thought this was good, but whatever. That's a whole nother story. So, refresh. Just move on, right? So, this is a cat pad that I recently got for the cats. So they're not always laying on the, because Callie likes to lay there. And that's easier than a blanket and looks nicer and neater. So I bought that recently. So I refreshed by putting out this pillow and that pillow and then this blanket. And usually the other chest goes over here. But I'm done and I'm not moving it. So this got all swept and mopped. And the carpet got vacuumed really good. I just didn't sweep and mop over here. So that didn't get done. And I want to wipe down the cushions. But you know, I wasn't trying to do the whole room today. But I'm taking mental notes of what needs to be done. The cushions need to come off and vacuumed. And they need to be wiped down. That window needs to be cleaned inside and out. This whole wall unit needs to be moved and vacuumed behind it and mopped behind it. I know it's filthy. And this, I said in another video that my furniture doesn't seem to get too dusty, but this does. Because, you know, it's by the TV and electronics attract dust. So, yeah, it's dusty. You're probably not going to see it now because it's dark. But, yeah, so it's dusty. And I just dusted it a couple weeks ago. Let me know, do you dust your house every week? I mean, that just seems ridiculous. So all this needs, I vacuumed a little bit because I saw a lot of dust and stuff. But all this needs to be taken down and dusted, and yeah, so that's for another day. And I turned the ottoman at a diagonal for a little bit of a change. And we used to have the couch this way, and haven't had it like that in a while, so we'll see how hubby likes it. He usually likes to sit here, and that means he doesn't have an armrest, which he doesn't like that anyway. You see how high that armrest is? Yeah. It's too high to, you know, rest your arm. Again, we want to get a new couch, but, you know, in due time. There's, you know, I got the craft room going now, so that ain't happening. And so I didn't put the, did I already say this? I didn't put the carpet, it's all the way over here. I didn't put the carpet underneath the couch like I usually do to ground it so it doesn't slide everywhere, and also prevents the couch from sliding because it just slides on the tile. But if I'm going to clean it or take it outside and clean it myself, I don't want to have to move the furniture again. So this is just easier. Plus I wanted to pull it out from underneath to make sure the cats weren't peeing. I don't know. Was another animal getting in here? It's not even possible. I don't know. Because I mean, the cats have brought rats in here before, but we caught them and brought them back outside. But sometimes not till the next day. Not rats. Field mice. I don't know. Rats. They're rats. Anyway, from out in the yard. You know, we live in the boonies. So, yeah. So, I don't know how they could crawl under that couch. It's really low to the ground. So anyway, it looks nice, but I'm tired. I gotta make dinner, and let me show you something. So all that's nice and clean, and then this is messed up. I'm gonna have, when he comes home, which should be shortly, he can put that in the garage. I should have waited to do this till tomorrow, because my brother was gonna be here, but I want him to start putting the cabinets together for my craft room. So, I mean, he could have helped me move the couch and all that stuff. But I didn't think all that was going to happen. And then I broke that thing. And there's still a piece of it on the floor. I need to pick that up. So there's a little bit more room here. Because when I turn the couch this way, it's shorter along here. So there's a little bit more room. And all the pillows and blankets that were on the couch go in this basket. And then, you know, vice versa. When I'm done using those go in here. Because I don't have enough room in the linen closet. And actually, I like the way it looks. I think that's decorative. It looks pretty, but that skull head, it needs to be hung up. So tomorrow I'm going to get Gary to hang that up. And so all the stuff I use is the same stuff I've been using. I use this vacuum cleaner, which picks up the nap really well on the carpet. And so that's good. The mop and the bucket that you see me use. The only additional things that I used was vinegar to pour on the carpet. I'm going to keep it out and handy just in case. And then, you know, I wiped the windowsill and stuff like that and some other stuff with this. And I was using Lysol because there's only a little bit left. And then nobody commented on my last video. I want to know what you use to clean your floors if you use Mrs. Meyers. Do you use the multi-surface cleaner? Because I was at Target yesterday and they had a big thing, not a spray bottle, like a refill bottle of that. And I almost bought it and I'm like, I don't know. Sorry, I'm choking. So I'm like, I don't know, should I buy it? And I'm thinking, I thought I had more of this left, but I don't. So I'm going to use this up. And I guess I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyers. And then, of course, you know, I use the glass cleaner on the one window that I did. And I wanted to wipe down the couch. Well, you know, I didn't want to really do that this time. I need to do that. So next time around, I'll do all that. The couch needs, the back of the couch needs wiped down. This pleather stuff. And that needs all wiped down again. And yeah, all right. And that's the chest I was talking about. It doesn't belong there. It belongs over there. But I'm not doing that now. I'm pooped. And I kind of like how this looks. I might leave this out for a little bit because, you know, it's still winter. It actually got really kind of chilly and windy today. It was 58 degrees. But with the wind, it felt like 50. It was quite chilly. As a matter of fact, I was supposed to be doing the one box challenge, which is tomorrow. And that probably is going to be posted late in the day because I didn't get to doing it because I did this. And it took way longer than I thought. It was supposed to be so much for my 30-minute cleaning, which I really wasn't sticking to. Anyway, so here's my Valentine's decor. So this was already here from Christmas, but I'm just going to leave it out for a little bit longer because it's Valentine's Day and there's red flowers up there and yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this video right here with this nice Bless Our Home sign. I love that sign. Got it from Home Depot. Yes, weirdly I got that from Home Depot. Anyway, that's it for this video. And check the links down below to Mickey's channel from My Bashful Life, who is doing this 10-day cleaning challenge, and all the other people who are participating. And Gina Pearson will be starting to participate in February. So I will put the link down below. She's going to be doing a 10-day cleaning. I don't think it's going to be, I think she said it's going to be every Monday or something like that. Or I don't know. But anyway, check out her channel. And that's it for this video. And as always, enjoy your day.